Hi guys. So this is Jace, and Jace practiced really hard to learn the Rubik's Cube. Right, Jace?
Yes.
Yes, he did. And little brother's also learning, and he's still kind of working on it. So what little brother's going to do is he's mixing up the cube. Mix it up really good. And I'm going to show you guys the YouTube video that really helped Jace. About how many videos did you watch, Jace?
Really just one.
Well, this one that helped you? But you did watch a lot, right?
I watched just...
But this one helped you the most?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to show it to you. And this is the one. It's Buck's Big World. So this is what really helped Jace to learn how to do it. So it took him about... He's had it for a while, but it took him about 5 weeks of really practicing to master it. And have you mastered it?
Yes, I have.
How long do you think it will take you to solve the whole cube?
Just probably like 2 minutes.
2? Okay, well, let's see what you can do. We have a timer?
Yeah, it's inside.
Okay, Jason, are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay, ready, go. Jet. Hi, Jet. Jet, leave Jace alone.
Come on, boy.
And there you have it, guys. Oh, I can't stop it. What time do you think you made?
2 minutes?
It was 2 minutes and 5 seconds. So you did really good. Good job. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready to master the cube?
Yeah.
All right. Well, it takes a lot of work, right?
Yes, it does.
Is it worth it? Was it worth practicing?
Yes.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, well, to everybody, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.